This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Note: because oxygen sensors are installed in the exhaust system, which contracts when cool, an oxygen sensor can be very difficult to loosen when the engine is cold. Rather than risk damage to the sensor or its mounting threads, start and run the engine for a minute or two, then shut it off. Be careful not to burn yourself during the following procedure. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Upstream oxygen sensor. The upstream O2 sensor is accessed from the engine compartment, located under the throttle body. It may be easiest to access the sensor with the air intake tube and air filter housing removed. Disconnect the upstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. Detach the sensor wiring from any clips. Unscrew and remove the upstream oxygen sensor. If you're planning on reinstalling the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If you're installing a new sensor, there is no need to apply anti-seize compound because the threads on the new sensors already have anti-seize pre-applied to them. Install the upstream oxygen sensor, threading it first by hand. Tighten the sensor securely. Connect the O2 sensor electrical connector and secure any retaining clips. Install the air filter housing assembly and air intake tube if removed previously. Secure all the necessary hose clamps and connectors. Downstream oxygen sensor. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Disconnect the wiring harness electrical connector to the O2 sensor. Unscrew the lower O2 sensor. The lower O2 sensor is difficult to access, so a crow's foot wrench must be used to turn it. The same rules for applying anti-seize compound to the upstream sensor can also be taken into consideration for the downstream sensor. If reinstalling the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor. If installing a new sensor, do not apply any anti-seize compound. Install the downstream oxygen sensor, threading it first by hand. Tighten the sensor securely. Connect the O2 sensor electrical connector and secure any retaining clips. Safely lower the vehicle. Reconnect the negative battery cable.